In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable categories in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Disabling categories helps you declutter your budget, transactions, and reports by removing ones you don't use, while still keeping them available in case you need them later. To do this on desktop, go to Settings, then click on Categories. Find a category you want to disable, click on it, then select Disable. Confirm your choice, and the category will be removed from active use. Once disabled, the category will appear grayed out in your settings, and any transactions tied to it can be reassigned if needed. If you don't want to fully disable a category, you can also exclude it from your budget only. Just go to the budget page, hover over the category, click the gear icon, and toggle on Exclude in Budget, then Save. This way, the categories still exist for tracking, but won't affect your budgeting view. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.